Okay, we're going to do section 3, page 5. So right now we're given f of x, and we want to graph the function of xy plane. Okay, let me make this eraser a bit smaller so I can not make any accents. So the first thing I see from this is that f of x is greater or minus than x of 2. Something from this tells me that this is going to stop at negative 2 of this function no matter what. But this function reminds me of the regular function, root x, which looks something similar like this. However, since we have the negative, we are going to use the opposite direction. Let's see if I can get it darker. Let's use pink. The other direction. So we know that there is 3 easy variables for root x. 0, 0, 1, 1, and I believe it was 2, 2. Yes. And now we just have to do this for the negative. However, since the negative is minus 2, we're going to start at 0, negative 2, negative 3, 1, and at 6. 2, 2, 3, 1. Yes. This was wrong since this would be 6, 5, 4. This would be 4, 2. This would look like that. Okay, we have one of the sides is done just from knowing the function. If you do not know the function, another easiest is trial and error, plugging in the value, anything below negative 2. Like, since it's equal to negative 2, if you plug in negative 2, it should give you 0. If you plug in 3, this should give you 1. If you plug in 6, this should give you root 4, which is 2. And you can figure out the rest. Okay, for this one, since this is not an equal sign, this must be a 0. Since we know this is plus 4, we're going to start at 4. And we're going to go down 1, 2, until we hit 2. Since we know that this 2 is going to be solid, however, this one's going to be open hole. Done. That's from negative 2. Now we have to go to the positive side. Since this does not have an restriction, this is going to go to infinity. So all we have to do is carefully make this line straight as possible. Like that. Okay, now we're done. That's how the graph is. Let's just double check. This is absolute value. So, yep, this is positive into negative 2. And this is still positive all the way. Okay, solid values. Now for this one, the limit of x approaching negative 2 from the left. Negative 2 from the left, as we know, it approaches from the left to the right. This goes to 0. Now this is from the right. So let's go to the right to the left. So we go here, and we see this approaches 2. And this does not exist because the limit is x approaching 2 from the left of x does not equal the limit of x approaching 2 from the right. And does the function f have any discontinuities? Yes. At x equals 2. And is a non-removable jump. Discontinuity. As we can see here, there's this jump right here, and we can't change it since there is a solid dot right here, meaning that this function is only valid when it's from the left side. Okay, thank you.